Hi everyone, this is Selina. Welcome back to one of my videos. I hope you're well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Selina and I release a crochet tutorial every week. And this week I'm bringing to you this beautiful bow. It's really easy to crochet, and as always the free pattern will be available on my blog. The link is in the description box. So this is a really fun project to make, and so for this project I used one skein of Kobu yarn by Lion brand. Obviously I didn't use a lot of the skein. This is a light 3 DK weight yarn and it's shade pink, and this is a 51% cotton yarn, 49% rayon from bamboo, and it's super soft. I also used a 4mm crochet hook, a tapestry needle, and a pair of scissors, and that's the only things you will be needing for this project. I will be speaking in US terms with British terms in brackets. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you want more feminine crochet content, don't forget to check out my Patreon page. The link is in the down bar. Okay, so to begin your tutorial you will be making a slip knot. So just go ahead and create a slip knot. Pop your hook through and tighten. And now what you are going to be doing is we are going to be chaining 50 in the round. So I'm going to show you a small technique on how to do this easily. So chain 1, 2, 3 and 4, and once you have 4 chains you are going to be removing your hook from that 4th chain and pop your hook into the 1st chain. Okay, I've done this off camera because it was too hard to do on camera. So I've popped my hook through the 1st chain that we made and just pop it into the 4th chain. So this is what it looks like, and now you are going to be carrying on chaining until you have 50. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and just carry this on, and this prevents the project from twisting. So just carry on doing this until you have 50 chains in total. So I've chained less because I'm demonstrating this part in the and it doesn't matter how many chains I have for this demonstration. So you should have 50. Once you have 50, just pop this last chain through, pop the yarn through the 1st chain to close off this round, and now you are going to be chaining 2, 1 and 2, and this counts as your first half double crochet, and it goes with this 1st chain here. You are going to be going into the 2nd chain with a half double crochet and into the next chain with a half double crochet. And to make your half double crochet, sorry I forgot to demonstrate, so to make a half double crochet, wrap your yarn around your hook, go into this chain, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Take your yarn and go through all 3 loops, and just place a half double crochet in each and every chain across until you reach the beginning of this round, and then I'll show you what to do then. Okay, so I've gone all the way around. Your round should be larger, obviously, because you've got more chains. So now that you've placed your last half double crochet, you are going to be slip stitching through the 1st chain 2 that we did to close off this round. So just go ahead and slip stitch, and as you can see, this prevents our project from twisting. So now for round 2, chain 2, and once again this counts as a half double crochet, and go directly into the next stitch with another half double crochet, and into the next stitch with a half double crochet, and into the next stitch with a half double crochet, and just go all the way around with a half double crochet. And once you've gone all the way around, just repeat what I've just showed you, slip stitch through the first chain 2 that we did, and just repeat this round until you have 11 rounds in total. And once you have 11 rounds in total, I'll show you how to finish off this part. Okay, so this is my actual project, and I'm going to be working with this going forward. So we have our 11 rounds. I've just finished my last half double crochet of my 11th round. As you can see, I'm going to slip stitch through this chain 2 here, like so. So slip stitch, pull through, and pull your yarn through like this to close off this round. Okay, so I've gone ahead and sewed in my loose ends just to show you so that it looks better on camera. So you can either sew your loose ends in now or later. And so this is what we have, and we are going to locate where the seam is. So this is where the seam is on my project. So this is where we would join every time we finished a round. I'm just going to be centering this seam, and this will be the back of the bow. Just because it will look neater. Okay, so now that you've placed your project like I've just explained, just take your yarn and create a knot. So go all the way around and create a knot and tighten gently like so. So you've knotted your project. Now turn your project round again and knot it again like this. So just make sure that you are pulling it not too tight but not too loose. So this is it. So once I've got this shape like this, I'm going to be tying a double knot like this gently. Okay, so this is what we have for now, and we are going to be going round with this yarn. So I'm just going to go round over and over, and I did count that I was going to be going round about 50 times. So yes, I'm just going to be going around 50 times like so. So I'm going to let you do this, and then I'll get back to you to show you how to finish off this project. Okay, so I've gone around about 50 times. I did count. Just fasten off this yarn. So to finish this off, I'm just going to attach my 2 loose ends together like this, and then I'm simply going to be not fastening off. I am going to be tidying up my loose end, and in this instance I will be linking in the down bar my video on how to sew in my loose ends, but in this case I'll show you right now how I'm going to do it. I'm just going to be doing this. So I'm just going to be going into the back of the project. I hope you can see, sorry about that, a few times before I fasten off completely. There we go. And this is our bow. I love it. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to check out my blog. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next week.